Security Minister pledges more support for teens in Grange Hill amid heightened fears. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lug. Also this evening, stakeholders want more funding for Special Needs Unit of the Education Ministry. And veteran track and field commentator and author Hubert Lawrence laid to rest. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.